color. Blue color. And yellow color. I draw capital letter A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Let's paint green color. A for apple. D for donut. You guess next letter is G. G for grapes. Next letter is guess. I for ice cream. Next letter is M. M for monkey. Next letter is O. O for octopus. Next letter is R. R for rabbit. U for unicorn. You guess. Next letter is V. V for violin. Next letter is O. Z. Z for zebra. I pick different color is yellow. B. B for banana. You guess next letter is E. E for elephant. Next letter is J. J for jelly. Next letter is M. M for nest. Hey kids. Next letter is P. P for parrot. S. S for sun. W. W for watermelon. You guess next color is Red. Wow. C for cow. F. F for flower. Yes. K for kite. T for tiger. X for xylophone. If you like my videos, so please like, share and subscribe. Next color is light pink color. Wow. H for hat. L for tell me. L for line. Q for you guys. Q for coin. Yes, Q for coin. And last letter is Y. Y for yo-yo. Let's repeat learn. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I hope you like my videos, so please like, share and subscribe. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.